Hello mga ka-shoppers! Pinapakilala ko nga pala sa rechargeable camping light with power bank, outer waterproof flashlight, LED floodlight. Ang ating rechargeable camping light, save 100% na electricity bill. Complete package, complete accessories, mga ka-shoppers, included ang kanyang solar light with bracket, bolt and nozzle screw, syempre ang kanyang bitbitin, and of course ang kanyang pin and switches nasa baba na niya. 60 watts nga pala itong ating in-unbox mga ka-shoppers, syempre ang kanyang free remote control with batteries, and of course ang kanyang patungan. May magugustuhan nito mga ka-shoppers dahil kumatagal to ng 12 to 15 hours runtime. Even 2 to 3 days on low mode. Durable build, anti-oxidation, aluminum, plus matibay na glass for extreme weather resistance. And of course, naka-IP67, proven and tested waterproof. May 3 brightness level, strong medium, hanggang weak light for any situation. And of course, may timers, 3 hours, 5 hours to 8 hours. 6 hours fast charger. Solar ready for emergencies. Sa ating mga first timers, meron tayong manual. Ano pang inaantay niyo mga ka-shoppers? Check out now! Thanks for watching!